Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my very first vlog. How you guys doing? Today's video it's going to be about my beauty room, and what we are doing here is of course just painting this room. I have taken everything out from here and it is currently empty, so the plan is to do some painting and make some changes in here. And yeah, I'm going to take with you guys through the journey of this beauty room transformation from the current paint to the next one that I'm going to show you. And yeah, I'm quite excited. All right you guys, so I'm going to show you quickly what we've done so far. So we have covered this area over here using this plastic that does have like a tape right at the end there so that it sticks. So we have covered this area here, and also right at the corner here where the white and the pink mix, we covered it all the way to the end. And then this one of course gonna come like that so that nothing drips on the carpet. And on top of that, over here of course we have a heater. We did the same thing, covered it again so that nothing drips over there. Ignore these bubbles comes from there, it's my mistake. I turned it on before, so that's just air popping out, but it's so far so good. So that's what we're working on. And of course, as you can see on the carpet here, we have put this more like a blanket to cover the carpet so that the paint doesn't drop in here. And we're gonna do the same thing for the whole entire room. So yeah, and also over here, as you come, I'm just going to move the chair. So these things here, we are going to cover them so that they don't get paint. So yeah, and also we're gonna do exactly the same thing on the corners, cover them with the same paper over here. So yeah, that's the plan you guys. So far so good. And we are planning to do something in the corner here. You're gonna see all that when the room is almost finished. But yeah, this is the progress so far. We are going to get down to business, start painting, and let's go. And look at my bed you guys, all empty the G. I'm not sure how we're gonna paint this, but thank God my husband is here helping. So thank you so much, husband. I love you. I forgot to mention you guys that we bought the paint from BBM, and the brand for this one it's called Alpine, as you can see right there. And for the gray color you guys, the code for the color it is 139 right here. And I'll quickly show you how the paint looks like inside. So that is the paint there, and I think this gray is going to look perfect on the wall because it's not too dark, not too light either. And yeah, I just love the color. I cannot wait to see how it's going to look like. So yeah, this is how the pink wall looks like now. This is just the first coat, as you can see, but you can still see through the pink coming through there. So we may have to go a second time so that the pink is all hidden. Of course, I'll quickly just put down the light so you guys can see what I mean. So you can see right there, you can still see the pink coming through. So yeah, we'll go a couple times, probably twice, so that everything looks nice. Here I'm going to paint it, of course, but obviously you already know that the whole entire room my husband painted it, but of course I have to to do some work, to do a little bit. Okay, all right, so here is me, of course, painting. It's not very difficult actually. It's so easy to paint, so let's see how I do it. Okay, obviously not so good compared to what my husband has done. This cannot compare, you guys, but hey, I'm trying. Okay, all right, here we go. Good Goodbye pink. You have been well loved. But it is time for another color. So this over here is our second wall, and we've just finished painting it white, as you can see. So this is just one layer, by the way. We still have to go through that and paint probably another layer so that the pink is completely covered. But yeah, the paint is still wet at the moment, so we are waiting for it to get completely dry before we move on to the second coat. And this wall over here is of course the first one that we started painting, and it is slowly getting dry, as you can see. I'll quickly just bring you guys closer. You can see there, of course, it is getting dry slowly. So yeah, once this dries down and the other one also dries down, then we can go ahead and just paint all that together so that everything is covered. Here is the progress so far, you guys. We have of course painted second time, and this wall here is completely dry now, so that is amazing. That is how it looks like, you can see. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is move on to the other wall and start of course putting the gray. So you guys, over here we just started putting the masking tape, as you can see. So it runs all the way up here, goes all the way to the top, and then other side as well to the other side, and then all the way down, including this area here, so that everything is covered before we start putting the gray, of course the gray paint. So we are starting with the gray color now, as you can see. Actually, I do like the way it turns out. The color doesn't look too bad, looks really beautiful. So yeah, and what we've done up there is we left a little bit of space between the the white and the gray, so you'll see when everything comes together in a way. I love the way this paint coming through. You can see the gray there. Ooh, what do you guys think of this so far? Are we feeling the color? Oh yes, I am feeling the color. And look at my belly. Oh, M to the J. Let's continue. Alright you guys, so we are done with painting. As you can see, this is the first wall that that we put the gray on. It's almost dry but not completely, and I just love the finish. Look at the top there, that looks absolutely beautiful. And then over here, of course, we have the second wall, which is of course gray, and this one here is still wet, so we are waiting for that to dry down completely. And when both sides are dried down, I'll definitely show you guys how it looks like. It's going to be absolutely awesome. But check this out, you guys. Check this line over here. Wow, that looks so stunning. And that line runs all the way to the other side as well. All right, you guys, so it is the next day, and I'm going to show you the finished beauty room. Of course, we've done all the painting, and so far everything looks absolutely stunning. I love the new color, you guys. This gray, OM to the G, so pretty. I love how everything turned out. You can see already I started putting my decoration right there, and yeah, this looks absolutely stunning. And you guys remember this wall right here used to be, of course, pink. Yes, it is now gray. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this room transformation, and yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.